So I don't really like how they cut it, so I'm gonna have to cut it myself because that shit's jagged as fucking ugly. Look at that. That's crazy. So I'm gonna cut it right now. Mark it up. Marker. Let's do it. Let's go. Is it on? Nope. Is it on now? Yeah. Drop. Damn, would have been fire. Oh, I gotta make sure to get these so no car gets them. These self-tappers are like, they're cool to like set the kit. I wouldn't like run them. The guy that had a car before, he was running them. He was like whatever, but I'm rivnutting it, as you can see from the front. I'm gonna rivnut it because it's way cleaner. Take it out quick too. It doesn't look all ghetto. So yeah, this guy does not know how to cut shit. I mean, I'm not even good at cutting stuff, but this is bad. So yeah, I'm probably fix that some other time. Cut it like a better line. That, and then this one too. Oh, I crashed into this. Oh, that hurt. But yeah, so it looks better and cleaner. Damn. Torquey. That shit is strong, bro. For real. So I'm almost there. Excuse me. I did the holes. These two right here. That one right there. That one right there. So I do these few right here. And then it should be almost good. Let's check the rivnuts, bro. So these are the ones I'm using. These are M6 rivnuts. Check it out. Look at it. They're real gold, bro. Cause I'm balling like that. Real gold. I was like, oh, the jeweler was like, you want a chain? You want grill? Nah, bro. I want golden rivnuts. I want no chain. Give me good shit. It's pretty much almost there. Let's do it. Now I got all the holes done, bro. Check it out. Boom. Boom. So they're all done. And the car's dirty. I don't know how long this was like that without them taking it off. But it's dirty. Who cares? Got that all done. Time to put the rivnuts in. See if my golden rivnuts. Check it out again before I put it in. $1 million. It's like almost there. Okay. Oh, perfect. I can just like push that in real easy. Look at the hammer. The hammer, bro. He's got the hammer. Is it there? Yeah, it is. Bam! So this is my hardware of choice. This, I believe I got it in eBay. I'm not too sure. And then this is, I got it on eBay too. eBay is the spot for parts and hardware sometimes. So these are M6s. And then these are the washers that are gonna hold it. Have some black, some neochrome, so they're pretty gangster. It's pretty much almost done. Got them all secured. Except for a few. Gotta bang them all in, literally. One more over here. Nice. Let's go. No doubt the fastest and most effective way is to do with this, because it tells you pretty much when to stop, when to go back. You go forward, you go pretty much forward, and then it'll like grip up so you can feel it, and then you can reverse it all the way. So now for this side right here, I'm just gonna I'm gonna do it real quick. Fucking mosquitoes. I'm gonna do it real quick, so I'm gonna mount the phone, see what's up. Hopefully I get like a time lapse. Hopefully I get like a time lapse or something.